Hello, YouTuber. As you can see, I am in my bathroom. I haven't made a video in, I don't know. I make videos and I don't even post them. Haha. But you see, I have all this shiny, glistening gold into my face. All this right here is my acne treatment because I have popped up with a couple pimples lately. And I thought, hey, I might as well go ahead and take care of this. And at the same time, I can show you some of the stuff that I've been using. Not only on my face. Oh my god, this feels so good. I mean, really. And I didn't use sea salt because some people are doing their videos about saying that the salt's really good. I just used regular table salt and regular honey. So, as you can see, look at that goodness. Oh my god, look at it. I'm gonna get it around my lips because I've noticed I do get pimples on my lips, on my cheeks, and my nose. And what I'm gonna do is let this sit for about maybe 10-15 minutes, or even longer if I forget. And the great thing about this, it rinses off so good, and it smells absolutely delicious. And at the same time, I'm exfoliating my face with the soap, and I'm drying out, oils and pimples and blackheads and etc. And we all know that honey's delicious, and it's really good for you. As you can see, my hair is right now, it's in a tight little bun. I probably should have started filming this when I was actually doing the process, but I'm doing this on my phone, so it's kind of hard. But anyways, I used SQ leave-in. I know, look at that backwards writing. Yeah, read it. Love it. I use this at night. I try to use it every night, but some nights I forget. And I just spray it all over, and it helps with the frizz in the morning. And I don't use heat on my hair every day. I might use heat on my hair maybe even once a week. I've been letting it air dry and then brushing it out straight. And then doing braid out, stuff crinkly. And I've been wearing a lot more flowers. As you can see, this lid was really plain, but I thought, hey, I'm tired of losing my hair flowers. So just click it onto it now. It looks really nice in my bathroom. Also, along with I said SQ earlier, didn't I? QP, those like Silk Leave-In H2. Leave-In moisturizer and filling conditioner. I really like this stuff. And this is not the only leave-in I do. I do my own leave-in, which consists of either moisture milks or Herbal Essence long-term relationship. I absolutely love this. I put that in my handy dandy squirt bottle, which I bought from Walmart, and it was like 87 cents, so I couldn't go back. And I start off first with putting in about maybe a quarter of conditioner. Then I put in 1 capful of coconut milk, and I'm using Ultimate Organic Therapy coconut oil. But I love coconut oil. Oh my god. It makes my hair smell good. It makes my body smell good. And what else do I use? Oh, I also use in my leave-in that I make myself, organic coconut tree oil therapy. This is really good because I love this because it's been making my hair a lot thicker, I've noticed. And the breakage is getting better. I'm on my hair journey. Let's see how it goes. But as you can see, my face is starting to get all nice and glistening, and I can see all the folds. Oh, let's flip this around. See that? Can you see all the folds? It looks pretty good. Okay, so after I'm done with this, about 10-15 minutes, as you see, I'm not going to edit this. This is just going straight to YouTube. I'm not going to do all that fancy, all that stuff. No, I'm just YouTubing it out. Kind of one of those late night boredom things, and figured, hey, I'll show some merging. But anyways, that's my leave-in. I mix it all together in the handy dandy, and I shake it up. And after I wash my hair, Most of the times I just do the cold washes with, conditioner wash with my moisture melts or my this nose itches right here. Oh my god. Oh my god, I feel it all tingling. It's getting in my skin. Ah, doesn't taste bad. A little salty, a little sweet. I'll do a cold wash when I don't really want to strip all of the products that I've been putting in my hair. I just kind of want to clean up my scalp because with my hair, I constantly do have to apply moisture because it dries out. Also, it gets really itchy. And once my hair starts itching, I wash it. Period. If I got to go through extra steps to get it back to the way it was, that's okay. I'll do it. So I'll do the cold wash, just to get rid of the itching. And then about maybe once a week, I'll do a real wash. And so far lately, I've been using baby shampoo. My daughter actually uses the Johnson's No More Tangles shampoo, which is 2-in-1 formula for thin and straight hair. She uses that, but she has gorgeous, pretty hair. I just use the Exchange Select cheap brand, which it just says baby shampoo. I've been using that to strip the products out of my hair and start with it fresh. Let me put a little more because it looks like I missed it. Great. Oh yeah, these are spoons from like the dollar store. You get 12 of them. They're baby spoons, and me and my daughter use, which is great because I do not use these spoons for any chemicals at all. It's all natural stuff, salt, honey. So I can rinse these off, and we both can use them. I'm trying to remember all the things I want to talk to you guys about. It's been a while since I made my other first video, and there's the dancing video with my brother. We're not even going. I know the song title, and that's completely wrong, but it was one of those days where like the beginning. Let's see how my face is going. Looks pretty good. I do wax. I wax my own face. I wax my own eyebrows. Only thing I professionally get done is my nails, which, as you can see, badly need to get done. But I'm trying to wait a week for my birthday because I want them to be all kind of, still fresh and everything. So I'm letting them grow, which means he's going to have to do some serious cutting down because I don't like to have those long nails. I like to have that acrylic on top because my nails are brittle. And I've done vitamins and all those other good things, and it didn't work. So I think I'm going to end this video because I'm starting to rant. I'm going to rinse this stuff off, and most likely in my next video, I will let you guys know. How it's going. Until then, stay cool, be easy, don't let the bed bugs bite, and I will see you guys on the flip side. Whoop, whoop. Make my own out and song.